Hello my beautiful gems. So we are doing something different today, as you can tell from the title. I don't know if I can accomplish this. What am I talking about? You know, like how people with the locks always has like the flower petals, and I saw a look yesterday and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to just sit here and just keep watching this greatness happen. I want to try and do this myself. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to see if I can accomplish this by myself, or do I have to go to the lady, because she said that she is willing to travel to me, because I commented on her picture several times. What is my phone? Hold on. So the lady's name is I don't know her name, but hold on. Locked by Mel on Instagram, and she said that the furthest that she ever traveled for a client is 14 hours and she's from Memphis. So I'm gonna put her Instagram down here somewhere, but most likely I'm gonna put it down here. And go check her out. If you have locks, go check her out, because she's willing to travel to you and do your hair. That's what she told me, but she does amazing work. I like her stuff, so yeah. So anyway, to get to this video, because I was already like 2 minutes of rambling, only thing that I did so far was braid up, and I don't have my BDBs. I don't have my BDBs, y'all. I don't have the BDBs anymore, right? In the back. So, yeah, so if you can't braid, do a simple flat twist, and if you can't do that, just like take your hair and like tuck it under, but just go up. I feel like I'm churning butter. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take 8 locks and I'm just gonna braid them individually, and let's see how I go from there, because this is going to be a process. It's gonna be a serious process, like for a lot of freaking locks. And with the traditional locks, they just take, like, from what I can't talk. What I've seen thus far is that they'll take like one lock and just like loop it, but I feel like I can't do that because like my locks, let me see, yeah, I feel like it won't, like, you guys can't see it, I can see it a little bit. I feel like it just won't stay and it'll look sloppy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 8, like I said previously, and I'm gonna braid it, and then I'm gonna just like do what I did, like loop it, and I'm gonna take a rubber band, the little black rubber bands, and I'm gonna put it at the end, and I'm gonna loop it around like 2 or 3 times. So let's get into that. And I want to start in the middle. Okay, so now that I got that braid in, I have to get one of those little black bands, rubber bands, and we're gonna try to loop this around like twice. I want to make sure that I have a clean space, you know? Wait, when did I do this one? You know what? I don't even know. So we're gonna do it like, can you guys see that? I'm gonna do it just like that. I want to do it just like that. So wish me luck. Okay, so now that I got one up, I'm gonna do that to the rest of my head. I know you guys probably don't want to see that, because this is gonna take a while. Like, I gotta braid it, and then I gotta put the rubber bands down. Like, we gonna be here for a minute. We are going to be, this is a process, but it's gonna be worth it. Like, because you can't tell me that hairstyle, like, it don't be looking cute, honey. Like, ugh. it's so cute. Like, I always wanted one, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna stop doubting myself, and I'm gonna just try this out for myself, because you ain't never gonna know if you could do something unless you try. And if you fail, try again. It's not that hard. So I'm gonna shut up because I need to fast forward this, because I don't want y'all sitting here for too long. So I'm gonna go back to my HGTV. I'm gonna get my cup of tea, and we'll be finished with this. And then I'm gonna finish this and this. So hey guys, so now that the flower petals are done, we're going to use a hairpin. And how I normally put the beads on is I'll put the hairpin like in between the hair. So you're just gonna put the hair in between the hairpin, close it, and then you're gonna put the beads on, and then gently pull the hair through. Now for the last bead, I should have added this on too. I like to try not to stress my hair out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that on. Sorry, that's my mom. That on? Yes. Okay. Pull that through also, and ouch. Mom is always saying, I'm gonna take the bottom of the hair and I'm going to fold it. So it's gonna look like this, and then you just put rub in around it, and then that's it. So you're just gonna do a little funky dance with your fingers. Ugh. So you're just gonna do a little funky dance with your fingers. If I can just gonna go around town with that. And then voila, it's secured. Just gonna go around one more time if it lets me. So cool. Then you're gonna pull the rest of the beads down. I hear that longer. See? Sweet, easy. And then you can hit yourself in the face. So I'm gonna do that to the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, for those of you guys that didn't see it, I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna take my hair and I'm putting it in between. Pick up the beads, put them on, and then you just pull it through. Don't poke yourself in the eye, please. Okay, so you're gonna do that again. And then you're gonna pull it on. Ow! And you're gonna pull that last strand through. If I can figure out which end is the end. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to take your last bead and you're going to take the hair and you're going to wrap it around. Yep, you're going to wrap it around. And then you're going to take your black rubber band and you're going to, oh my gosh, wrap it around. Do that little dance with your finger again. And voila. And then you just pull the other ones down and then you're done. That is the end of this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I know that this is something different, but I am going somewhere in 2 days, so I just want to do something simple to my hair. Well, I don't know if this is simple. Something different to my hair, and that's that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.